In this video, we're talking about how to grow spinach, why I love to grow spinach, and most importantly, my favorite way to prepare spinach for my family. But before we can get into the recipe, we've got to go out to the garden and harvest some spinach. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. I am so glad you decided to subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Riley. Welcome to my garden, and today we're talking about spinach. So why do I love spinach? Well, several reasons. Number one, it is super easy to grow. It is a cool weather crop that loves to germinate in cool soil, which means you don't have to start your seeds indoors and you can direct sow them into the ground after your last frost date. Number two reason is it is a super fast grower. This variety, called Space from Johnny's Seeds of Maine, is ready to harvest in as little as 25 days. And number three, not only is it a cut and come again vegetable where you can harvest your spinach plant down to 3 to 5 leaves and it will regenerate itself, but you can grow it 2 times a year in most areas, once as a spring crop and once as a fall crop. And finally, number 4, the way that we're going to prepare this today is a great addition to any family meal. This is a fantastic tasting vegetable with the way that we're going to prepare this in just a few minutes. So how do you grow spinach? Well, because it's a cool weather crop, you can direct seed it as soon as your garden soil is workable after your last frost date. If you want to start your seeds indoors, that will also work. You start them in 6-cell seed trays like this. You sow these seeds about 1/2 inch deep, 1 to 2 seeds per cell in this 6-cell seed tray, and then in 7 to 10 days, they're ready to be transplanted out into your garden. I don't do that anymore. I have in the past, but it's easier for me just to direct seed them right into my garden. And the way that I direct seed them is I plant my rows about 6 inches apart. I sow a seed or two every 3 inches, and I cover that with soil. I keep that moist for the first 5 to 7 days until they're germinated and healthy. And then I just come out once a week and give them a good watering. And then when you're ready to harvest, all you need to do is come out and for each plant, clip these leaves off where the stem meets the main plant. Leave about 3 to 5 leaves on that plant, and within 7 to 10 days, when you come back out, that plant will have totally regenerated itself and will be ready to pick again. I'm going to finish harvesting some of the spinach, and then we're going to get over there and I'm going to show you the best spinach recipe you've ever seen. For this spinach recipe, we only need soy sauce, olive oil, tablespoon of butter, medium-sized onion, a clove or 2 of garlic, chopped up, your spinach, and salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to move the camera so that you can see exactly what I'm doing with this frying pan. I'm going to walk you through this great but simple recipe. All right, we have heated up our frying pan. We have this burner on medium. We're going to add a tablespoon or so of olive oil. And we're going to add in our onion, and we're going to cook that onion for 3 to 4 minutes until it is translucent. I just dropped my salt. All right, it's been 3 to 4 minutes. We're going to add in a tablespoon of butter. We're going to add in our garlic. And we're going to cook this until we start to caramelize these onions. Should take about Oh, maybe 3 to 4 minutes. All right, our onions have started to brown. We are going to add in a tablespoon or 2 of soy sauce. And then all we are going to do is we are going to toss our spinach until the spinach starts to wilt. And we will be done. That looks perfect. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. And we are ready to plate. Well, we are ready to plate. And there you have it, sauteed spinach with butter, soy sauce, onion, and garlic. And let's see how it came out. Amazing. Amazing. Really, give the recipe a try. It's great. Well, thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber and you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified next week when we put out a new video. My name is Riley, and thank you for watching.